Hello guys, welcome to my channel It is something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 app data folder is missing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, going to open a file explorer, go to your view section, go to your show, and make sure that hidden items is enabled. So in my case it's not. Go to shows and click on hidden items. After doing this, set close it, right click, click on run, and type a percentage app data percentage and click on OK button. After that, click on app data. Now here is. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.